So hey guys, if you have a Samsung A55 5G or any other Samsung model, and if you want to unlock your smartphone after hard reset without entering your Gmail ID account detail, so this video is especially for you. And in this video I can show you how can you easily unlock your smartphone without using Gmail ID account detail. So let's start the video first. Because of that, in this video you can learn from this video how can you easily unlock your smartphone without using computer. Yes my friend, without using any kind of software tool, you can unlock your smartphone in just only 5 minutes. So let's start the video first. Okay, first of all, whenever your smartphone is look like that after successful hard reset, so you have to go back to the main page. Okay, and when you come on the first page, means this welcome page, if you have Android, latest Android 15 or 14, so you have to connect your data cable, only charging cable. Okay, so you have to connect to your smartphone, and when you connect it, you can see here the charging animation has been started. Okay, after that you have to click your language section, and you have to find the English United States. Because of that, the Google is from United States, so you have to select the same, and after selecting this you have to click the OK button. Done. After that you have to open your emergency calls only option here, and when this page comes, you have to dial a very unique service center secret code, and the code is *#0*#. And after that a new page comes on your Samsung smartphone screen. After that, when this page comes, you have to find the sensor option, and this is the sensor, so you have to click. And after this, you can see here there are lots of data like X, Y, Z are synchronizing here, so you have to wait for 3 seconds. When 3 seconds completed, go back to the previous page, and then you have to click the green option here, only green. You have to open, and when this page comes, you have to tap anywhere after 2 seconds, so that this will complete. Okay, after that my friend, you have to click the start button here and click agree to all, click agree, click setup manually, and you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. When successfully connected your Wi-Fi, you have to click the next button here. And when you click the next button here, your phone is asking to enter your PIN pattern password block, but you forget it, so you have to click use my Google account instead here. And again your phone is asking to enter your Gmail ID account detail, and there are no any skip message. Okay, don't worry, click the email or phone number, and after that you have to find this small setting icon, so click here to open, and you can see here the Samsung keyboard option comes into your mobile screen. So you have to go to the last option, this is reset to default setting, so click here, and you have to reset and erase all these options one by one like that. Okay, don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to learn how can you unlock your smartphone. So when you done this, go back and go to the first option, this is languages and types, so click here to open, and click here to manage input languages, and here you have to turn on the English, US and UK. Okay, and except all you have to turn off. After that, go to the right side 3 dot, click here, click for check for updates, and wait for a few moments only. And after that you got this update message, so you have to click the update and wait for, again for a few moments, and your installation will be done like that. Go back to the previous page, and you have to find the layout section here, and you have to turn on all these options here. Okay, click again, and after that go back and find the suggest text corrections, and this is the option, so you have to click here, and after that my friend, you have to open your manage apps. Done. You can see here this is already completely turned on, but you have to do some changes, like you have to turn off the Play Store, Samsung Wallet and Galaxy Store only, and go back to the main page. Okay, when you come here, you have to click the start button here, click agree, and here you have to click Galaxy or Android devices. You have to arrange another Android device like that. Okay, and after that you have to unlock this, and you can see here, my friend. After this you have to go to the setting page. If you don't comes this setup page, if this come, so click the setup message. Okay, so click the setup and wait for a few seconds. You have to scan this. You have to unlock this phone. Click continue. And all done, my friend. You can see here your logged Samsung smartphone is asking to copy your data or not, so you have to click don't copy here. And you can see here your phone is asking to configure a new pin pattern password lock, so you can choose any one of them. So at this moment click skip anyway, and your smartphone is completely unlocked by using this service center offline method tool. So if you have any type of queries regarding this method, comment us. Our team will reply definitely within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any kind of Samsung model at your home in just only 5 minutes. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe our YouTube channel with comment your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you can unlock your any Samsung model at your home at free of cost. This method is certified by service center, so you can use this to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone. Okay, so this is a very effective and useful method. You can use this in every Samsung model, not only A55 5G. This method will work on every Samsung smartphone. So wait for the last moment, and at this moment you can disconnect your charging cable from your smartphone and click agree and wait for some pending settings. Select your preferred settings. This is very important to everyone. Don't try to skip this video at any moment, my friend, otherwise you won't be able to learn how can you unlock your any kind of Samsung model at your home. So you have to be patient and watch this video till the end. And now you can see here this Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked by using this. You can see here this Samsung smartphone's Play Store is asking to enter your don't need to enter your Gmail ID credential. Already this smartphone's Gmail ID is has been transferred to this logged Samsung smartphone, and this Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked now. So if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.